Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss chapter number 7 from the first flight, class 10 CBSE. It's a long walk to freedom, written by Nelson Mandela. Okay, so before going to the chapter, I will let you know about Mandela. A brief introduction I will give about him. So focus on the board, I have written something, okay? So now, his full name is Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. It's a difficult to pronounce his middle name, Rolihlahla Mandela, but it was a first name. When he was a child, his name was given by his parents, Rolihlahla Mandela. Okay, but how has he got this name? When he was a school-going student, his teacher told him that you must have a Christian name. So she named him Nelson, and he was famous for this. And we know him from now, and we know him now, Nelson Mandela. So this is the name confirmed by his teacher, not by his parents. So now he is Nelson Mandela. He was born in 18th of July 1918 and he passed away. He died in 2013 on 5th of December because of respiratory infection. Okay, and he got 27 years of imprisonment. Okay, so he imprisoned in 1962 and released in 1990. That time the president was F.W. de Klerk. Okay, so the current president was F.W. de Klerk. I released him because he fears that this will result a racial civil war. Okay, and it is because of the domestic and international pressure. So he released him in 1990. His occupation, it means what he is famous for. Why he is famous for? Okay, क्यों वो famous थे? So he was famous for his kindness. He was a nobleman. So he was a philanthropist. What is a philanthropist? It means a person who is very kind to everyone. And a lawyer. He was a lawyer. Okay. So he was a philanthropist and lawyer. He was a philanthropist and lawyer by occupation. Philanthropist means what? It means a kind person, a kind-hearted man, a generous man to everyone. And we know if someone is philanthropist, it means he is an activist. So we can say activist. And now we also know that he is a politician. He was a awards. He got about more than 240 or 60 awards. Okay, but the most notable award is Nobel Peace Prize in 1993, and he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1990. Okay, and the most two important things I will tell you is that he was on 10th of May. From the text we'll get to know about this. On 10th of May in 1994, he was elected as a first black president of Africa. And 1994 to 5 years you can add, and you can add 5 years from now. So 1999. Okay. So 1994 to 1999, he has been the president of Africa. But he was the president of ANC, African National Congress, from 1991 to what? So add not 5. You'll have to add 6 in. You'll have to add 6. Okay, 617. So it's 1997. So he was president of ANC from 1991 to 1997 and was the president of Africa from 1994 to 1999. That is what I had to explain in brief. So let's come to the chapter. Again, before going to the chapter. Okay, can I delete it? I am deleting it. Okay, rubbing it now. Now I will talk a little more about Africa comparing to the India. What's the similarities between both the countries? Because we have been ruled by the British government before 1947. Okay, and we were not independent. We wanted to gain freedom from Britishers. Okay, like this, the African were under the whites, and they were suppressed, they were dominated by the whites, and they wanted freedom. The same problem they were facing as we were. Okay, that is why I am comparing Africa to India. So come to the point. Africa was under whites and India was under British. So Africa, the hero of Africa was Mr. Mandela. And the hero of India is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. सिंपल सा बात है, कोई अकेले हर चीज नहीं कर सकता, उसके साथ कोई ना कोई होता है, ठीक है, डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली कोई ना कोई हेल्प करता है, एसोसिएट करता है, ठीक है, असिस्ट करता है. तो महात्मा गांधी, हाउ वी गॉट फ्रीडम? बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस पीपल. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर. Now you can see Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Ludilu, and Yusuf Dadoo, Bram Fisher, and Robert Smith. All these were the person, all those sacrificed their lives for the freedom of Africa. Okay, like our patriots, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. Okay, so we can understand, imagine that how they were living, what's the problem they were facing. Okay, so we can correlate with each other. If we are talking about India, our independence, we can compare. Okay, so we can compare the condition of Africa at that time, because we were not allowed to get to higher positions, we were not allowed to be active in politics, so we were not allowed to go out of limits like that. They were not allowed to be in politics, they were not allowed to go out of the limits, they were not equally treated. So you can understand how difficult it was for them as us. Okay, so I have compared both the things, so you can get it easily. और अब हम लोग चलते हैं चैप्टर की तरफ, ताकि अब अच्छे से आप लोगों को समझ में आए कि चैप्टर का थीम क्या है. ओके, चैप्टर किस चीज पे बेस्ड है. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कीवर्ड ही पता सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय. स्टडी एंड एंजॉय.